we can apply system IPR plus VLP. So it means inflow performance relationship plus vertical lift performance, which is nodal analysis. So we click that one. And let's say the top node pressure or the tubing head pressure, you can also call it wellhead pressure, for example, 10,000, 1,000 PSIG with water cut of 0, and then the total GOR of 800 standard cubic feet per stock tank barrel. And then the solution node will be at the bottom. Rate method, for example, you can use automatic linear, but I recommend you to open the drop-down menu and select automatic geometric so that you can capture the left side of your IPR so that you can get the unstable zone of your IPR. And then the other thing can be left as per default. So we can calculate. All right, again, click calculate and show calculating data. Very fast, the computation is very, very fast. So here we have the result. The red one is the IPR and the blue one is the VLP. Okay, and then the result in table you can get from here. So it's very, very comprehensive. You have liquid rate, oil rate, water rate, VLP, IPR, and go to the right, maximum grain diameter, and others. All right. You can right click and copy table and paste on your Excel spreadsheet. All right. And then here you can get the result. Liquid rate, oil rate. So now we can flow at almost 9,500 stack tank barrel per day. With 0 water cut, you will get oil rate 9,000, almost 9,500. Okay, you can also plot, click this plot button, system plot, plot all cases, x-axis, liquid rate, y-axis or vertical axis, VLP and IPR, click done. So the same, you get the IPR, you get the VLP, and here we have the well test data. Okay, test point data. So click finish, click done. So this is the condition with no stimulation. Okay, we haven't performed any stimulation technique, but right now we will do stimulation, for example, hydraulic fracturing. Okay, before hydraulic fracturing, I want to remind you that the current productivity index is only 5 stock tank barrel per day per PSI. So again, I click done and we go to stimulation, select hydraulic fracturing.